Hello friends, my name is Catherine, back at you today with another water marbling video. I think this time I am going to loosen up all of these caps first. I'm going to try and work a little bit faster. Oh, but we are going to be trying to water marble a bowl today. Got this at the dollar store just a moment ago. So it should end up pretty cool looking, I think. Let's see if we can't get something interesting out of it. I'm just going to set those caps aside, actually. I don't actually use regular nail polish, so I had to buy this nail polish specifically for this, but that's alright. I normally use gel nail polish when I paint my nails. There we go. Okay, and then the last one ended up with an awful lot of like that coppery color in it. So I think we're going to try and influence it more toward the greens this time. Maybe like more toward the lighter green even. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And this bowl is bigger than that cup was, so come on, spread out. Go. There we are. And then maybe some more green. I'm running out of time on this. Not working quickly enough again. And then maybe a little bit more of that copper, because now I feel like it's not good enough. Okay. And then maybe a little bit more teal right in the middle. Can't just even that out a little bit. Okay, now take our handy dandy skewer and let's see. I think up and down, and then up and down. See if we can't be a little bit more organized about this. And then side to side so that we get these lovely like chevron shapes going on. And then, nope, gonna just tear that all apart now. Okay, spreading it out somewhat more. All right, and then I like that. So let's take and try and position our bowl over it in a way that we like, and then dip the bowl in. And then do the same thing that we did before. Gather up all of the excess around the outside so that it doesn't just lift back on. Again, when we take the bowl out. See, that ends up, I think I'm not doing it fast enough, or I'm ending up with much in the middle or something, because this is running down and I don't really want it to run down past the lip of the bowl here. But I think that turned out really cool looking. I might try and wait for this to dry and then do the opposite side and see if we can't get both sides, because right now we've got an interesting side and a boring side. But that's not too bad in and of itself. The contrast between bright colors swirling around on one side and nothing going anywhere on the other. I don't know. Well, you'll know if tomorrow there's another video about doing the opposite side of this bowl. So I'm going to set this down on a bit of paper towel for another 24 hours and see what we end up with. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, like it, and remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!